What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome 3D printed wrist rest. Before we get into it, make sure to smash like or else I'm going to smash your mom. All you need for this project is a keyboard, a ruler, and a notebook. After you've gathered your materials, take measurements of the width and height of your keyboard and then use some advanced math in order to figure out a rough angle of elevation. Using these values, it becomes pretty easy to 3D model a wrist rest since it's pretty much a right triangle. As you can see, I cut mine in half and made notches so that it can snap together. I also made a cutout on the inside of my wrist rest, which would give me space to attach a fabric over top of my 3D printed shape. Then grab your 3D prints, a piece of fabric, and a glue gun, and you can assemble your parts together. Simply snap the 3D prints together and use the hot glue gun to attach the cloth on top of the wrist rest. Real quickly, before we get to the final reveal, I want to say two things. First of all, thank you for watching. And second off, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe because I'm only 2 subscribers away from 10 subs. Anyways, thank you for watching the video this far, and let's get to the reveal.